If you need to move files from Google Drive to an external hard drive, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and safe way. Whether you want to back up important documents, free up cloud storage, or keep a local copy of your files, this is a fast method that anyone can follow. And before we start, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. First, connect your external hard drive to your computer. Give it a moment to show up properly so your system can recognize it. If you're using a USB hard drive or SSD, make sure it's plugged in securely and that you have enough space available on the device for the files you want to transfer. Next, open Google Drive in your browser. You can do this by going to drive.google.com and signing in with the Google account that contains the files you want to move. Once you're inside Google Drive, take a moment to find the files or folders you want to transfer. You can click on a single file if you only need one item, or you can select multiple items at once. If you want to choose everything in a folder, use Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac. If you only want certain files, hold Ctrl and click each one individually. This makes it easy to control exactly what gets copied to your external drive. After selecting the files, right-click on the highlighted items and choose Download. Google Drive will begin preparing your files, and if you selected a folder, it may compress it into a zip file before downloading. Depending on the size of the files and your internet speed, this part may take a little time, so be patient and let the download finish completely. Once the download is done, go to your computer's Downloads folder, or the location where your browser saves files. Find the file you just downloaded and click on it. If it's a zip file, you may need to extract it first so you can access the actual folder or documents inside. After that, select the downloaded file or folder and choose Copy. Then open your external hard drive from File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac. You should see the drive listed with its name, and this is where you'll paste the files. Open the location on the external drive where you want to store the backup, then right-click and choose Paste, or use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. The file will begin copying over to the external device. If you have large videos, folders, or multiple documents, this may take a few minutes, so let the transfer complete before unplugging the drive. Once the copy is finished, you can open the external hard drive and confirm the files are there. This is a good habit because it makes sure your backup was transferred correctly and nothing was missed. And that's it. You've successfully moved your Google Drive files to an external hard drive. It's a simple process once you know the steps, and it's one of the best ways to keep an offline backup of your important files. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.